What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We got one here. That's it. I only got 2 vehicles for you today because we're out of time, and also I just couldn't find anything else. I told you guys, somebody rear-ended me. By now, you may have seen that video already. If not, it's coming. Somebody rear-ended my 21 Ram 2500, and it's going to have to go in the shop. You guys know how parts are these days, right? You can't get them. You can't get parts. Parts are unobtainium. Isn't that what they're calling unobtainium? You just can't get parts. So my truck could be gone for a long time, which sucks because I was just getting ready to trade it in. Looks like that's not going to happen anytime soon, and I'm going to get hit with diminished value because now it's going to have a car accident on the Carfax. Whoa, what a good time somebody rear-ended me with no insurance and then fleeing the scene of an accident, right? So I'm looking for a truck. That's not a truck. I probably won't bid on that, but I got to show you. I found another Ram. Here we go, 2008 Dodge Ram. I think it was still called Dodge back then. Well, it wasn't Ram yet. 2008, it's a pedal car. It's a pedal car. You know me, I kind of like taking my chances with pedal. Big old, meaty 20s. 215,000 miles. I hope to God it's got a Hemi. I hope to God it's got a Hemi. I hope it's not that 4.7 Magnum or whatever. You know, the tires look decent. The body looks decent. The paint looks awful. This may actually be a Ram. Is this the right truck? I don't feel like this truck's supposed to have by now like $2,500. And I'm thinking, this is way too nice for $2,500. 4x4? Really? I mean, she's got a couple little dings, but this one right now looks better than mine. I can tell you that. Toolbox in the bed. Oh, wow. What? Headliner too? Good door panels, 3 good tires. It's got a dashboard. Oh my gosh, guys. This is too much. This is too much. This is too good of a deal. Hell, I may just buy this, send it to Mako, get a fresh paint job put on. I like that front end too. Clean up the headlights. We might have us a new rig, guys. You probably think I'm joking. I'm serious. How bad is this seat? It's not too bad. It's not too bad. She's a little dirty. It even looks like she's got power. And I know you're not going to believe this, but it smells good. This is not a Ram, guys. I'm certain this was still Dodge back in this generation. All right, let's not screw with it. We don't have time to play games. I want to find out what's under the hood. I could deal with this. I really could. For $2,500, I would bet it's probably got a badge. Oh, man. That sucks. Where's my fiance? I need her to hold up the hood for me. I was really hoping it wasn't the 4.7, guys. I was really hoping it wasn't the 4.7. It is. You know, will it work? Yeah, maybe. For how long, I don't know. All right. Well, hell, it's got 11 volts. Surprised she's not running. I bet it's just a bad terminal connection here. The battery's from 19 as well. Let me check a couple things real quick. Number one, how's the oil look? Well, you got a close-up there. The oil looks... let me get a better look at it. Oil looks all right. Maybe a little bit over full. I don't know. Just stick that back in there. I am just not a fan of these engine, guys. And I know there's plenty of you out there that just love the 4.7. I'm just, that's not me. That's not me at all. That looks like mostly water. That can't be a good sign. Let's check the trans fluid real quick. She got new valve cover gaskets though. You probably can't see it, but look down there at those blue grommets. Yep. How's the trans fluid look? Actually, trans fluid looks a little good. Looks a little nice. A little too nice for us maybe, and it's 4x4 too. What do you think, guys? It's cheap. Should we take a chance on her? Yeah, we're about to find out. It's got a tow hitch. Does it have a 7-pin? It does. Someone was driving it. It's got current tags. till 22. Oh, wow. Someone stole the catalytic converter. Oh, that was nice of them. Yeah, someone stole the converters. That wasn't very nice. That wasn't very nice. Oh, nuts? Well, so someone didn't steal the converters. The exhaust is just cut off underneath the back. Okay, she still got converters. We got to check engine light immediately. Oh, that air is ice cold. Yes, it is. Shut that off. What do we got down here? What is this? What the hell is this supposed to be? Okay, I don't know. Some cup holders, ashtray. There's some money in it. Big center console. Oh, man. All right. Yeah. I need a new tape measure. Flat tire, obviously. Let's see. Do we do four-wheel drive? I heard it. No way. Yes. Four-wheel low. Put it in neutral. Huh. Yes, she has four low. Okay, let's put it in gear. Forwards. Backwards. Put it in two-wheel drive. Two-wheel drive. Reverse. Well, I don't know what more you want, man. It goes in park, reverse, neutral, drive. 4x4 works. Important window is a little sticky, but it works as well. I don't know what's going on here. That's kind of sketchy, but aside from that, guys, this is probably the closest thing I found that would work for what I need. Oh wow, it's got the padlock on it. There could be stuff in there. There's no key. Oh, dude, there could be crap in here. Oh yeah. We'll have to get some bolt cutters, man, and cut that lock off. See if there's something in there. This is not a bad looking truck. I do want to know if this tire has been punctured by a forklift. Doesn't look like it. Let me know if you see any damage. I don't. It's missing the spare. Honestly, though, underneath, this thing looks pretty good. It really does. There's the exhaust cut. Huh. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, guys. She doesn't seem to be leaking anything. The tires look like at least 3 of them are good. Cold air. Suspension looks pretty damn healthy. Do these light up? If those light up, guys, I'm telling you, if those lights light up. We got headlights. That sucks. That corner light is out. She does have a little bit of hail damage. I mean, it's a work truck, guys. Got backlights too. License plate lights. Again, tags are good till 22. Looks like somebody was using it. Well, if you had to guess how it ended up at pedal, what would your guess be? I'm going to turn on the heat. I'm serious about this one, so I'm going to make sure the heat works. It does. The temperature's not even barely up yet. She's got good heat. What do you guys think? That is absolutely stupid. Like, I would rip that off immediately. Yeah, good voltage. She's got a little bit of gas. Temp is good. Oil pressure's good. Think she'll start back up? She will. I I got a feeling, man. I got a couple feelings about this one. Number one, I hate the 4.7. Number two, I'm torn, man. I'm torn. This could be a great running and driving truck, or this could have a bad transmission. I don't think I'm going to buy it now, guys, but I do think I'm going to go ahead and throw a bid on it real quick. So let's do it. Well, guys, I'm looking at it and I don't understand. It's got 3 days, 19 hours left. It's $2,500. Buy it now. It's a pedal car, but it's showing a Texas salvage title. I'm definitely confused about the salvage title because this is not an insurance car. This is 100% from pedal, and I've confirmed that. That's verified. This is a pedal car. So, yeah, I don't know. $2,500, guys. It runs and drives. I mean, now, if this was an insurance car, I'd buy it in a heartbeat. I'd buy it in a heartbeat because it's straight from the insurance company. But how it managed to have a salvage title, never get rebuilt, never put back on the road, and then ended up as a pedal car, I don't know. So, unfortunately, as much as I'd like to bid on this right now, I need to do a little more research. Carfax report. I'm going to run a Carfax on this first, and I'll make a decision on it later. But do me a favor right now. Comment below and tell me if you think we should take a shot at this truck or if we should leave it be. Last on my list, guys, a 2009 Subaru Forester. She's banged up a little bit. No odometer, non-runner. You know, she's got some dings and dents here and there. What do you think, timing belt? I'm betting timing belt. It doesn't look too bad. Few little dings here and there. Aside from that, not awful at all. Ooh, wow. Okay. Did it go underwater? Like, what the heck happened here? I don't know, guys. This one took me by surprise. The interior is really bad on this. Really bad. First thing we're gonna have to do, figure out where the heck the hood release is. There we go. Scoop that seat back. I don't know. This may have been underwater. I'm not sure. Someone stole the radio out of it. That's always nice. The tires are, well, you know, it's got tires, I guess. That's something. Oh. All right. Well, here you go. What is going on with this thing? All right. It's a pedal car. You know how I feel about pedal, man. I found some great deals from pedal. And again, sometimes you end up with some bad deals from pedal as well. It's just a mixed bag, man. The tires are old. They're not in very good shape. I guess the only thing we could really do is throw a jump on it real quick. And let's just see, because it says it's a non-runner. Hell, which one's positive and which one's negative? I'm gonna guess we got a positive right there. There we go. All right, here we go. Come on, old girl. All right, well, we got juice. Headlights just came on. I don't even want to sit in this thing, honestly. This is gross. Oh, we got mileage. Are you kidding me? It runs. Guys, don't tell anybody. This is $1,250. This is $1,250. Buy it now. No way. No way. You gotta be kidding me. $1,250? I mean, it's filthy. Important when to work. See how it says non-runner? No odometer. Yep, she got an odometer. Does it go into gear? Brakes are good. Backwards. Forwards. Backwards. Forwards. Now, I don't think the AC works. Honestly, I don't think I really care. I mean, I can't tow with this, obviously, but she looks like she's been sitting a cool minute, guys. I mean, look under here. Look at this. When I see something like this, it tells me, like, look at that. She's been sitting a while. You got some hockey sticks. Those probably worth the price of the car alone. Golly, what is all of this? Gross. All right, well. Yeah, the AC is not on. She's been sitting a cool minute, guys. She has. Oh, wow. Are you serious? You kidding me? Okay. Okay. She needs a radiator for sure. I'm not really a Subaru person, man. I don't really know anything about them. Obviously, we gotta shut this thing off pretty quick. Trans fluid. You know, I guess it's okay. Hell, I don't know. I'm gonna shut her down. She's charging, which is good. What are your thoughts? I mean, the fact it runs a radiator is not a big deal. I mean, the interior is absolutely filthy. AC doesn't work. Let me see. Maybe it's got a little coolant in it. We'll see if there's anything in it at all. The blower only works on high. There's nothing. We're going to shut her down. Battery's gone. Got a clicker. Got some dog treats. Big old sunroof. I mean, that thing is massive. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm not seeing much out here today that's really got me, it's got me excited. I think the best feeling I've got on cars today, and I know for you guys, this is only 2 cars in this video, but I've recorded 12 cars today. I do this all in one day, and I'm telling you, I don't have a good feeling about this one, but I do get a feeling about this one. I know it's not pretty. I know it doesn't have the engine that I want, but out of everything I looked at today, I feel like this one is probably the best one. $2,500, $2,500. I'm drawn to this. I got a strong feeling about this one. And if I do buy something today or bid on something today, I can tell you it's probably going to be this. What I want you to do is comment below right now and tell me, do you think this is the one? Imagine it with the Mako paint job and clean headlights and the tires aired up. This thing would look pretty good. I know it's got some hail damage, but I mean, she'd look pretty damn slick, guys. That's all I got for you. We're done. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get out of here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry we're short a vehicle. It's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, man. I can't make cars appear. If they're not here, they're not here. But I did the best I could. Please, 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 I've said it in all the videos so far. Comment below and tell me what you think of the new format. Typically, it will be 3 cars per video, 2 videos per day. Okay, 3 cars per video, 2 videos a day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Probably like 10 o'clock a.m., maybe 5 o'clock in the evening is what I'm thinking right now. This is going to be my first week trying this. If you guys like it, we'll keep it. If you don't like it, then I guess we'll ditch it. But hit the thumbs up button if you like it. Hit the thumbs down button if you don't. Drop those comments below. Tell me what you think of the Ram over there with the Magnum engine. I'm feeling good about it, guys, but I definitely want to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuild. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. Till next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.